So when discussing science, you never want to default to, when you can't find an answer, that this is God, right? Because if you did that, then we would have never solved for lightning. We know now that lightning is not God's wrath per se. Nevertheless, this is a very good question that I'd love to know the answer to.
I would love to hear you disprove evolution. Can we do that?
If evolution is true, then you go through a progressive evolution, if you will, of these organisms evolving into an increasingly more being-like creature. The problem is there's zero evidence of that. The problem is you have these single-celled organisms and multi-celled organisms, and then there's just a giant gap in the fossil record. And you have animals, and then you have man. But we don't have a fossil record that takes us from single and multi-celled organisms into an entire species. And we just simply ignore that.
Wow.
And so
I didn't know that.
this ecosystem is so intelligent, not in my opinion, but in the scientific evidence, it could not have been put together by accident. It didn't happen by happenstance.
That's absolutely amazing, because the way that we do tell the story of evolution is through fossil records. That's how we know about anything. That's how we know about other species of humans. That's obviously how we know about dinosaurs. That's how we know about how the earth even formed, was through fossil records. And to say that a huge gap of single cell organisms, to us, that whole story is missing, man, that is something. I guess we'll default to God.